SYG Tech is here, Stefan is here. How's it going, guys? Welcome back for another video. So iPhone 6s running the latest version of the iOS. I updated a few hours ago. Apple just released the iOS 14.8 on all devices yesterday. And if you have an iPhone SE 6s and so on, you should update. Let me show you. So the update is not very big. So the update is about 800 megabytes. As you can see here, this is the latest version iOS 14.8. I believe after 2 weeks we're gonna have the iOS 15, which everybody's waiting, and I'm very curious to see if this iPhone 6s will get this update, because this is an old iPhone, but believe it or not, this iPhone still runs perfect. Let me show you. So let me go to general, about, and I don't know if you can see 14.8, and this is the version of the iOS. So very excited about all the iPhones. This is a great iPhone. It's been released in 2015 and still works perfectly with all the widgets. As you can see, everything works smooth. And actually, I did another video comparison between the iPhone SE first generation, so make sure you watch this video. I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below. It's a speed test. The iPhone SE is running the previous version, which is iOS 14.7.1, so make sure you check that. But yeah, iPhone 6s, it's great phone even in 2021. I know the iPhone 13 is being released, and still I'm very excited about all the iPhones, because they're brilliant, they still work fine, and this is great in my opinion. And I'm curious to see how many people are using iPhone 6s. This is a great iPhone in my opinion, 2015. I know this iPhone runs the A9 chip with 2 gigabytes of RAM. And yeah, let me know what do you think, guys. So this is just quick video about the update. If you didn't update, make sure you check for updates. Just go to general, go to software update, and you'll see if you're running the latest version. So as always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.